Hi everyone, Rick Harter here, your Mountains to Sound mortgage guide. Hey, did you know that refinances still make up almost 1/3 of all mortgages? Even though rates have risen, people are still refinancing. Now you say, how can this be? Well, many consumers have amassed a large amount of debt over the last year and a half, paying much higher rates than they would have thanks to the Fed hiking interest rates so aggressively. And many of those individuals are only making the minimum payments with no path to pay off their debt. At the same time, homeowners have record equity, and they can use that equity. Many homeowners are benefiting from a type of refinance where we pull equity from the home, use it to pay off those debts, saving money and overall interest on the combined debt that that person has. Additionally, there's ways to actually gain equity at an accelerated pace and significantly shorten the amount of time that you would have on your mortgage by applying the savings as an additional principal payment each month on your house. Hey, let me just give you a quick rundown of how this tool works. So if you say, hey, this is something I'd be interested in, give me a call. We can do a debt consolidation and just an overall review of your situation. We put in the information on your existing property, price and taxes and things of that nature. We look at what debts that you might be sitting on, okay, and the payments associated with those debts. We'll look at your existing loan, what you're paying. Hey, you might be at that 3% rate, but unfortunately we know some of the rates on those credit cards and car loans are a lot higher. And so we just plug all that numbers in, and then in this scenario, this shows an example where without doing anything, $918 refinancing wouldn't make sense. But if we say, hey, we're going to select and pay off all of these debts, now that borrower is in a $1,400 a month payment savings. And then what we look to do is we could apply that savings in this scenario against the principal, save a large number of payments, and actually pay that home off much sooner than you would have otherwise. So hey, not necessarily going to be a tool that's going to work for everybody, but you never know. And the way for us to really find out if this would be something beneficial for you is to do the review, do the math, and see what the benefits would be. Hey, I'm Rick Harter. I'm your Mountains to Sound mortgage guide. Call me. Let's look at the numbers and see if it makes sense. Take care.